Yo guys, what's up? I'm here with the beautiful girl in my life. You know, I met her last year, I believe, and it is Kevin, the babe. Look at him, he's growing up, guys. He's now driving. Isn't that crazy? I mean, remember the first vlog that when he was like this small or something? Look at him now, all grown up with his little pecs.
No hands.
Oh damn, no hands. Look at that. Damn. So right now I'm gonna go to the house. I was gonna record in the morning. I forgot to record it because I was busy. Because I kind of woke up late because I had to take the city bus. But I was gonna record the assembly thing that was going on. That's gonna happen this Thursday, and I forgot I was gonna show you the crew who I have. So far it's turning out good. There's a little bit of problems that are going on, and Kevin is not gonna be in no more. He said he doesn't want to because he has his crew. But
I didn't. I didn't want to be in it.
Why not? Tell them why, so they could all know.
Cause I just didn't feel like being in it. I don't know. I just wasn't that interested anymore.
That is not a good excuse, huh? It's whatever though. I still love him. Oh, she was gonna take a turn. But anyways, that's what happened. And this is the longest time I have vlogged. It's like 2 minutes, almost 2 minutes. But yeah, that's what happened. And right now I'm heading home. Later on, I'm gonna go out with some of my crew, not the school crew, but some other crew. And yeah, that's what's going on today. Beautiful weather out there, you know, right there. Oh, that's Kevin again. Yeah. Peace out. Yo guys, what's up? I'm here with Giovanni the master, and here's Daniel Flores, the
Danny Dimes.
Danny Dimes, the beatboxer, and Jackie Granilla Bar, aka acoustic singer. There's Lucy again.
I'll fight you.
Oh shit. And
Young Jackie.
young Lucy, young Jackie.
The new Drake.
The new Drake right there.
Drake. I make beats too.
The new Drake with the ID that's, you know.
No, don't show that, bro.
Pretty fruity there?
We're practicing for the assembly that I was talking about last time.
New Drake is feminine.
And yeah.
It's cool. It's cool.
Alright, peace out, guys. Say peace out. Not like this, bro. Like this. Like this.
That was Lucy, guys.
Peace out. True. Yo, what's up, guys? I am here with the crew, the clique of MT Nights. Yeah. And I'm here with Jackie Granilla Bar. You have to say what's up. You just can't. You have to talk. You have to talk.
Hi from the vlog right now,
from
chilling
YouTube.
backstage.
From YouTube.
That's all I got.
Do you have a channel?
Oh yeah, you.
She has a YouTube channel.
Jackie Granillo.
Jackie Granillo in the description below.
Subscribe
Here with Lucero Ice Puro.
Hi.
That's all you're gonna say too. Add me on Instagram, Snapchat.
Oh yeah.
Oh damn.
Lucecita.
Lucecita. And no YouTube channel?
No.
In the description below also. Here with my homie Daniel the Bay.
What up, bro?
What up, bro?
Danny Dimes.
Danny Dimes.
Hit me up on, I don't know, like
Instagram.
Instagram.
That guy _Danny.
Oh.
And I
Also in
think
the description below. Damn. What about you, Gio? Huh? What about you?
Mr. Levitate.
It's
Drake. That's all I gotta say.
All right then. So you guys, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this?
Ready to rumble.
Yeah, bro.
All right. Oh wait, we should take a picture. I forgot. All right then. I'm gonna close it because we need to take a picture now. All right, peace out, guys. Yo guys. So as you saw the assembly, we're backstage practicing our last time of what was gonna happen. and we did in total 3 assemblies again, just like I did last semester. I'll show you guys the video. Turns out that you guys couldn't hear our voices on the song, which I'm like, it's really sucked, and I'm really mad. And yeah, I'll just show you the video. Overall, it came out good. Everything was pretty good and stuff. So at the end of this video, I'll show you guys the video. And I'm right here with my homie Nick. We're on the radio again. We're gonna do our own advertisements and commercials now that we have our own name. And our name is In Fuego. So In Fuego Youth Ministry, which is pretty dope. Yeah, you know, we're gonna get things set up. Me and him just gonna do our own little thing. Advertisement commercials and stuff. Get on the radio set and stuff. And tomorrow we'll be on it. So yeah, peace out, guys. Yo guys, what's up? I am here in the house of Frank and Mirko. Mirko's right there. Saying what's up. They invited us to have a movie night with our smoothies, eating healthy. You know, I have to eat healthy, I'm getting fat. Yeah. We'll show you other people too. What's up? What's up?
There's a little sofa like this. It's probably like this size.
Okay.
Together, but it opens up into a bed.
And so, yeah. I don't know what movie we're gonna watch, but as long as I'm enjoying my smoothie, I'm good. Alright, peace out, guys. Yo, what's up? I am here with the crew. This is Mike. Mike, say what's up. What's up? This is Nick. Francisco. What'd you say?
I say you scared me.
Hey, what's your guys' name?
Oh, now we're here, about to race these cars and everything, you know. About to score those guys. I'm just man. This is my first time driving these go-karts, so it's like my first experience doing it and stuff. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen right now. That's what's gonna go on. And yeah, guys, peace out. We're about to do this, guys. We're about to do this. Me and my brothers right there. We're about to do this. My first time, kind of scared, but we're gonna do this. Yo, we just finished racing, you know, here. Everybody, supposedly that guy won, but
Yeah,
he
wait,
didn't.
who won? What's the score?
I won, dude. I won, dude.
I won!
You know who won? Él porque chocó mucho.
That's true. Dude, I crashed a lot too.
I was scared though.
Ya viene.
I'm like, oh, there's Mike.
Ya fue drifting. Le pegué pero del frente.
I was gangster though.
I was a real gangster. You know how I learned how to drive like that? Mario Kart. I learned how to drive like that. Mario Kart.
There was a lady that was not driving correctly. Huh, Francisco? There was a lady that was not driving.
She will not move, man.
You're watching this, you suck.
Yo, but I learned this by Mario Kart because, you know, I'm a beast at Mario Kart. But yeah, guys, that's right there, that place. I recommend you guys to go there. You know, you might see it backwards, but who cares? That's where we went. It was awesome. And yeah, guys, that's what happened today. My stupid hair. All right, then, guys, peace out.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jackie Granillo and Lucy Aispuro.
Praise want A+. Gotta come about that ain't us. Jokes come, we stay up. Now where's the quitters? Nowhere we stay up. Metro nights, we stay strong. Never do nothing wrong. Never into your mind. And if you do, you better press rewind. Freshman, junior, sophomores, and seniors. Teachers, you prepare future leaders. Freshman, junior, sophomores, and seniors. Teachers, you prepare future leaders. In order to win that fight, you gotta stay keep your head up, but you don't have to be. I'm here once more, open the OT, gonna give another show. Keep going, it's my last hit. I'm coming close, yeah, wait for clear. Yeah, I'm here with my crew, representing all my sometimes. It's crazy hard, time flies, that's why, cause this time. You say goodbye, wait next year. And everything gets fun, open the OT, gonna really get the go. Yeah, now it's insane. Everybody, you never see me sing. Don't stop believing what you can do. Don't stop believing what you can say. So remember, don't stop believing. Take it down so we can all start singing.
All I feel is, ever seen the light dog?
My first time